Record self-practice 4.13. Question number 1. Solve the following equation by giving answers in 3 decimal places. Okay, number 1A. The question is 4 power 2x minus 1 equal to 7 power x. Now the question, left and right side having base 4 and base 7 indices respectively, and we take note that number 4 and number 7 is not having a same factor, so that we have to solve in logarithm solution. So we put log 10 at both sides. Okay, and then the power come in front, 2x minus 1 bracket log 10 4 equal to x in front log 10 7, and we combine the x term in one side, 2x minus 1 over x equal to log 10 7 over log 10 4. Okay, it is now 2x minus 1 over x. Okay, log 10 7 divide log 10 4. Log 7, okay, we already know in our calculator, scientific calculator, is already in default base 10. Okay, so it is log 7 divide log 4 equal to 1.4036. Okay, and 2x minus 1 equal to 1.4036 x. 2x minus 1.4036 x equal to 1. Okay, 2 minus, it is 0.596 x equal to 1, then x equal to 1.677. Okay, in 3 decimal places. Now we turn to question number 2F. Number 2F is question ln. Okay, natural logarithms x plus 1 power 2 equal to 4. Okay, as you know, ln is also included in the calculator. Okay, this button. Okay, ln, that is a log base e. Solve the following equations by using natural logarithms. Give the answer in 3 decimal places. Okay, ln x plus 1 power 2 equal to 4. So now we have ln base e, log base e, x plus 1 square is equal to 4. So that x plus 1 square equal to e4. Okay, what is e4? E4 is like this. This one. Okay, e4 equal to, okay, 54.59. Okay, and we solve for this one first. X plus 1 equal to e4 square root. E4 square root plus minus x plus 1 equal to plus minus e power 2, and we have a x way to answer, that is e square minus 1, or x equal to negative e square minus 1. Okay, this is e4. Now we do for E2. Okay, E2 7.389 minus 1. Answer is 6.389. Okay, one more answer is negative E2. Negative E2 minus 1. The answer is negative 8.389. Okay, so this question we have to answer. Next, question number 3. Okay, here is a solving problem. The price of a house after n years is given by equation 260,000 in bracket 9/8 power n. Determine the minimum number of years for the price of the house to exceed 300,000 ringgit for the first time. Okay, minimum number of years. Now we want to get value of what? Value of n. Here is question asked as the minimum number of years. Okay, so what is actually symbol for years used in this question? Okay, years is value of n. So now we want to get value of this n for the price of house to exceed 300,000. So we write down the formula here. 260,000 in bracket 9/8 power n to exceed. Okay, what does it mean by exceed? Exceed is more than. Okay, melebihi, more than 300,000. And then we solve. Okay, for the equation or inequality having power, okay, having unknown power, usually we solve by using logarithms. And solve for the number first, 9/8 power n more than 300,000. 300,000 divided by 260,000. Okay, 15/3. Or if you want to put in decimal also can. Okay, here is 15/13. Right, 15/13. Then now there are no more coefficient already. We put log at both sides. Log 10. Also in log 10, because here is not a question natural logarithm. Natural logarithm, we are using log base e. 9/8. Okay, and put in front as the coefficient. Here log 10, 15/13. Now we put n only on the left side. Then log 10, 15/13 divide by log 10, 9/8. So we put here log 15/13 divide log 9/8 bracket. Okay, and more than. Okay, so here use your calculator. Log answer divide by log of 9/8. Okay, here is the answer, 1.215. Okay, and so now here class, be careful with the inequality equation. Okay, inequality equation, and what value you divide. Okay, here value 9/8 is a positive value or negative value. Okay, we try for a question only for log 9/8. 9/8. Okay, it is a positive value. Positive value. If it is a negative value, okay, the symbol must change into less than. If we divide by negative number. Divide by negative number, the symbol of inequalities will be changed. Divide or multiply by a negative number. Then here, question asks the price of house after n years. Okay, but here's our answer is in inequalities form. So the answer must put in equation form, equal to. So n more than, but not equal, right? And number of years cannot be a decimal. So the nearest number, not round off. Okay, you must understand it is a not round off because no need round off. N years will be n equal to 2. If you round off, this is a 1.215. We round off equal to 1, right? But here is n is already more than 1.2. It cannot be equal to 1. Equal to 1 if the inequality is less than. Here inequality is more than. So the number integer after 1.215. So n equal to 2 years. Right. Okay, question number 5. After n years, Mr. Chong's money in a bank is in expression in function of 4,000 1.1 power n. Calculate the number of years for Mr. Chong's money to exceed 5,100 for the first time. So here is question same like question number 3. The function is 4,000 1.1 power n. Okay, exceed is more than 5,100. So as usual, we do in logarithm form. Okay, 5,100 divided by 400. Okay, 51 over 40. Okay, do in logarithm form. Log 10 1.1 power n more than log 10 51 over 40. Then n put in front. Okay, n put in front. We have n more than log 10 51 over 40 divided by log 10 1.1. Okay, log 10 1.1, it is a more than 1, so it is a positive number. For log 10, log base 10, if it is a less than 1, it will give us negative answer and we must change our inequality form. Now log 51 over 40, log answer, okay, divide by log 1.1. Okay, 2 point n more than 2.549, then n will be equal to, okay, because question asks us, it asks us number of years, right? Okay, number of years, it should be the nearest integer after 2.459. It is not round off, not rounding off. You must understand what is the difference between rounding off and the solution for this number. N will be equal to 3 years. Okay, we continue with the last question, question number 6. The F ratio in mercury level at a height of 10 km above sea level is given by P equal to 760 e to the power of negative 0.125 h, where h is the height in kilometer and e is equal to 2.718. Determine the height above sea level if the pressure at that height is 380 millimeter mercury. So now we put the formula given. Okay. So what is E actually? E is the value of E here. So this question is related with log base E lah. Okay, ln. Question asks us find value of determine the height. Okay, where height is h. Where is h? H is this one. And given that 380 as the value of P. So we put 380, 760 E negative 0.125 H. Then here is E negative 0.125 H is equal to 380 over 760. The calculator will give answer Okay, 1 over 2. So here is E negative 0.125 H 1 over 2. Then now look at here. Okay, here is the important things you have to know. If you get the solution having index of unknown, okay, power unknown H here. Okay, logically, usually we are using method of logarithm, log at both sides. Okay, log for what base? Okay, also have to be careful. We put log at both sides. Okay, log 1 over 2 on the right side, and this one log E negative 0.125 H. Okay, how about the base? Okay, normally we put base 10. Okay, it's no problem if put base 10 also, but for this question, we look here, we have already value E include in our solution. So that it's better to use base E, okay, because easier to solve, and log E is equal to 1. So here the power come in front, negative 0.125 H. Okay, log E is equal to 1, equal to log E 1 over 2. Negative 0.125 H is equal to log E 1 over 2 is ln E. Okay. What is ln 1 over 2? It's not ln E, it is log E 1 over 2, it is ln 1 over 2. Okay. Ln 1 over 2 equal to negative 0.693, negative number. Okay, and then H will be equal to negative 0.693 over negative 0.125. So H answer will be 5.45. 5.545. Okay, 5.545. And here is question about height. So that height is possible to have a decimal. So we leave answer in 3 decimal places, 5.545 kilometer.